Hi everyone, today we're going to work on planks. These are great moves for building strength and stability in our core, shoulders, all over. These are especially good exercises to practice if you're thinking about getting into pole dancing. If you haven't already, check out all my free fitness programs on my website and send me some love by hitting that subscribe button. That helps my channel become more discoverable, and I appreciate you guys helping me grow this channel so much. All right, let's head over to our fitness mats and get to work. We have 8 exercises ranging from 30 to 40 seconds, starting with plank knee drops. Remember, when we're in a plank position, we want to keep our core strong and our booty down. Let's start by coming into a high plank. Then we're going to drop our knees almost to the mat and then straighten them back up. Now with our knees bent, we're going to come onto our hands and toes, tap each shoulder with our opposite hand, then kick our feet back so we're in a nice plank, hop back to bent knees, and repeat. Let's give our hands a little break and come onto our elbows into a low plank. We're going to raise our hips up toward the ceiling, pushing back with our arms, and then lower back down into a nice strong plank. Now let's come into a side plank on our left side, placing our right hand behind our head. Let's rotate our elbow down towards the mat and bring it back up towards the ceiling. Switch sides, plank up, and twist. Coming back into a low plank, let's do some leg lifts, lifting one leg up as high as we can at a time. right, back onto our hands. We're going to do some leg circles, starting with our right leg. Let's draw a circle, bringing our knee in towards our chest, extend our leg. Then we're going to reverse it, and then our toes are going to come down, and we're going to repeat this with our left leg. Lowering back onto our elbows, let's place our hands near our opposite elbow. Then we're going to rotate onto our left side, bringing our right hand up towards the ceiling. Lower back down, and then rotate into a plank on our right side, raising that left hand up, and repeat. We're going to wrap this up with some toe taps. Come into a high plank. Let's extend our right leg out to the side, tap our toes, bring it back in, and then repeat with the left leg. This is the last exercise, so hold that plank strong and keep this movement nice and controlled. Great job, everyone. These are some fabulous moves to add into your workout when you really want to work on stability and muscle control. If you enjoyed working out with me, be sure to hit that like button. There's lots of videos on this channel and more on the way, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all again soon.